This tutorial will explain in 3 parts how to implement appointment scheduling using elbow space forms. This is part 3, and will cover how you can retrieve and/or cancel appointments scheduled by your client. In part 1, we demonstrated how to set up appointment time slots that will be available for your client to choose. In part 2, we covered the choosing of appointment time slots from your client's point of view. First thing we must do is to get to scheduled appointments, click Form Responses inbox located under the My Form Responses tab. Next, inside the folders list, click Scheduled Appointments highlighted in red. You can also get to the scheduled appointments from the All My Forms page. The little red link will be underneath the form title. The Scheduled Appointments queue is configured to show appointments one day at a time only. Your initial click to the Scheduled Appointments queue is defaulted to look at appointments for the current day. Use the appointment dates list and/or the pop-up calendar to navigate to another day of scheduled appointments. Date with appointment time slots will be highlighted in red on the calendar, but might not necessarily have appointments scheduled. Let's click on the 14th, since that's where we scheduled an appointment as a client in part 2. Appointments fields columns are highlighted with a red background, and the dates of each appointment are highlighted with red text. If you do not see a red highlighted column, scroll the columns to the right until you see it. Here is our appointment column, appointment date/time. The row below shows the appointment of April 14th at 7 p.m. along with all the other pertinent information filled out by the client. It is important not to confuse the dates in the status box column, first column, with appointment dates. Dates within the status box column represent when the transaction happened or when the appointment was scheduled. Dates in the column highlighted in red represent the date of the appointment. To cancel scheduled appointments, check the box next to the appointment you would like to cancel, similar to the box below. Then select Cancel Appointment in the drop-down box above called Select Action. Upon canceling an appointment, the appointment time slot will no longer appear in the Scheduled Appointments queue and becomes immediately available to be scheduled by another client. You can still see the transaction in the Form Responses inbox queue. However, the date/time field will now display the word canceled along with the date and time the transaction was canceled and the date and time of the original appointment.